honoring a founder who built his company machine by machine and customer by customer over 30 years. R Narayana, founder and proprietor of Maruthi Precision Fasteners, was felicitated as a manufacturing maestro in Bengaluru by Seenivasan Balasubramanian, CEO IAMPL, and Abhimanyu Barthwal, Managing Director, Oemeta, India. What started as a small precision components operation in Bengaluru has grown into a 28-machine facility trusted by customers across automotive, aerospace, and industrial segments, built on a foundation of process discipline and long-term customer relationships. At the heart of this journey is R Narayana, whose manufacturing philosophy, rooted in quality, resilience, and loyalty to his people, has made him a worthy manufacturing maestro.
Thank you for inviting this big event. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ nice. Thank you for everyone.
Firstly, I would like to thank Machine Maker and Oemeta for this, for nominating us and giving us this felicitation. I'm very proud to be the son of first-gen entrepreneur, my father.
It has been an absolute privilege to be part of the Manufacturing Maestros Season 2. What has been absolutely inspiring is the recognition of manufacturing leaders, especially from the SME sector in India. Our heartfelt gratitude towards Machine Maker in recognizing the unsung heroes of Indian manufacturing prowess. It was an absolute honor and pleasure for Oemeta to be a part of such a noble cause, and looking forward to the rest of the events that have to take place in this year's Manufacturing Maestro.